Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to solve exercise 6F of simultaneous equations, class 9 ICSE from Concise Selena. Now this exercise has the questions based on the age problems, word problems based on age problems, also on work and time. Each and every question is going to be solved over here. So children, after going through the video, if you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we start with the first question. The question is 5 years ago, A's age was 4 times the age of B. 5 years hence, that is after 5 years, A's age will be twice the age of B. Find their present ages. So let the present age of A, let us take that X as, and present age of B is Y years. And then let us read the conditions carefully. So what does the condition say? 5 years ago. 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, the ages of X was X minus 5. And age of this Y, B was Y minus 5. Okay. So this is the condition now. 5 years ago, first of all, we are subtracting the 5 years from their ages. A's age was 4 times the age of B. So A's age is X minus Y is 4 times the age of B. So this is how we frame this equation. So simplifying this, we get X minus 5 is equal to 4Y minus 4 5 are 20. 4Y bring here X minus 4Y is equal to minus 20 plus 5, which is minus 15. This is our equation number 1. Okay. Now the next condition, 5 years hence, that is after 5 years, their ages are going to be X plus 5 and Y plus 5. Okay, first write that. The ages of A and B are going to be X plus 5. This is after 5 years and this was 5 years ago. This is 5 years ago. Okay, so that we have to remember. So the ages are going to be X plus 5 and Y plus 5. The condition is A's age will be twice the age of B. So X plus 5 is equal to twice the age of B, which is Y plus 5. So we get X plus 5 is equal to 2Y. 2 times 5 is 10. 2Y bring here, we get X minus 2Y is equal to 10 minus 5, which is 5. This is our equation number 2. So let us solve this equation. So we have X minus 2Y is equal to X minus 2Y is equal to 5 was our second equation. And the first equation was X minus 4Y is equal to minus 15. Okay. So let us now X, the coefficient is 1 same. So we subtract. So we say, change the sign of the next one. So any equation can be written first, no issues. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2y. 15 plus 5, you get this as 20. So you get y is equal to 20 upon 2, which is 10. So we got y's age is 10 years. Okay. Now let us substitute this in the equation number 2. So we are putting the y is equal to 10 in equation number 2. So substitute in equation 2. We get here X minus 2 times 10 is equal to 5. So X minus 20 is equal to 5. So X is equal to 5 plus 20. So you get X is equal to 25. Okay. So this is how we got the X age as 20, A's age, which is X, as 25, and B's age is 10 years. Got it? Moving to the next question. A is 20 years older than B. 5 years ago, A was 3 times as old as B. So find their present ages. So let the present age of A be X years and the present age of B be Y years. And what is the condition given? A is 20 years older than B. So that means A, X, is 20 years older than B. That means when we add 20 to the B's age, we get the A's age. So this is our equation 1. Or you can write X minus Y is equal to 20. Or we can also solve this by substitution method or elimination method. This is our equation number 1. Let us read the next condition. 5 years ago. So we have now 5 years ago. The ages are going to be 5 years ago. The age of A is going to be X minus 5. Age of B is going to be Y minus 5. First write this. And what does they say? Read the condition again. 5 years ago. What does it say? A was 3 times as old as B. So A is this, was 3 times as old as B. Got it? So solving this equation, we get X minus 5 is equal to 3 times y is 3y minus 3 5s are 15. So bring this 3y here, we get x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5, which is minus 10. This is our equation number 2. Okay. Now let us solve these two equations. We have, let us write below. So we have x minus 3y is equal to minus 10 is our equation number 2. So we have the coefficient of xm, we subtract, changing the sign of the second one, x minus x, plus 3y minus y is 2y, 20 plus 10 is 20 plus 10, you get this as 30. So y is equal to 30 upon 2, that is 15. Now you got the value of y as 15. Let us substitute this in the equation number, okay, 2. We can put it in equation 1 or 2. So since 2 is written over here, I'm substituting this in equation 2. So you have x minus 3y, that is 3 times 15 is equal to minus 10. You get x minus 3 times 15 is minus 45 is equal to minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10 plus 45. So 45 minus 10, we get x is equal to 35. Got it? So this is how we got the ages of A's age is 35 years and B's age is 15 years. Got it? Moving to question number 3. Let us take the mother's present age to be x and the daughter's present age to be y. Look at the condition. The condition says 4 years ago. So we have 4 years ago. 4 years ago. What is the condition? And what will be the ages of mother and daughter? We just have to subtract 4 from both of them. So the mother's age is going to be x minus 4 and the daughter's age is going to be y minus 4. And what is the condition? Let us read. 4 years ago, the mother was 4 times as old as her daughter. 4 times. So x is equal to 4 in bracket y minus 4. So we have x minus 4 is equal to 4y minus 16. We get x minus 4y is equal to minus 16 plus 4, which is equal to minus 12. This is our equation number 1. Let us read the next condition. 6 years later, that is after 6 years. After 6 years, what is the condition? After 6 years, first of all, let us write their ages. Their ages are going to be x plus 6 and y plus 6. Let us write this first always. And what does it say? The mother will be 2.5 times as old as her daughter. So 2.5, 2.5, which is 5 by 2. Okay, 2.5 times. 5 by 2 is 2.5. 2.5 times that is of her daughter. So cross multiplied, 2 comes here. 2 in bracket x plus 6 is equal to 5 in bracket y plus 6. You get 2x plus 12 is equal to 5y plus 5 6 are 30. 2x minus 5y is equal to 30 minus 12, which is equal to minus 18, which is equal to 18. 30 and this 12 goes here, it becomes 18. So this is our equation number 2. Got it? So now when you look at the coefficient here, x is having the coefficient 1, here it is 2. So just multiplying this equation by 2, we get the coefficient of x equal. So multiplying equation 1 by 2, you get 2x minus 4 2s are 8y is equal to minus 12 into 2 is minus 24. Let us write this equation 2 as it is, which is 2x minus 5y is equal to 18. Subtract this equation, we have to change the signs of the second equation. 2x minus 2x is 0. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3y is equal to 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1. We get minus 42. So y is equal to minus 42 upon minus 3, which is 14. So we got the value of y as 14. Let us substitute y is equal to 14 in equation number 1. Our equation 1 is x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. So y minus 4 into 14 is equal to minus 12. So we get, sorry, x minus 4 in bracket. We are substituting the value of y. So we get x minus 14 4s are 56 is equal to minus 12. So we get x is equal to minus 12 plus 56. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4 again. So we get the x as 44 and y as 14. So this is how we get the ages of the mother and daughter as 44 years and 14 years respectively. Got it? Moving to the next question. So let us take the age of the man as x years and the sum of the ages of the two children as y years. First, this is important. Understanding this is important. What we have to assume as x and y. So what is the condition given? The age of man is twice the sum of ages of his two children. That means age of man, which is x, is twice the sum of the ages of his children, which is y. So x is equal to 2y is our equation number 1. Okay, the first condition is done. After 20 years, that is after 20 years, so what is going to happen? Each of the age of the father is also going to be x plus 20, and the ages of each of the son is going to be 20 and 20 more. So after 20 years, the father, his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of the children at that time. So sum of the ages is given as y. So after 20 years, father says is going to be x is equal to 20. Sum of the ages is going to be y, but each of their sons' age is going to be increased by 20. So plus 20 plus 20, two sons are there. Okay. So we get here, this 20 goes here, it will be subtracted. So 120 you can cancel. So you get x is equal to y plus 20. Okay. You can x is equal to y plus 20. Substitute the value, or you can frame this equation as x minus y is equal to 20. This is our equation number 2. Substitute the value of x from equation 1 over here. So we get 2y minus y is equal to 20. 2y minus y, so y is equal to 20 we got. So the sum of the ages we got 20. Let us substitute this in again equation number 1. Y is equal to 20 we put here. So x is equal to 2 into 20, which is equal to 40. So what you understand there? That the father's age, you are asked the present age of the man. So the man's present age is 40 years. Got it? Question number 5. The annual incomes of A and B are in the ratio 3:4, and their annual expenditures are in the ratios 5:7. If each saves rupees 5,000, find their annual incomes. So let A's annual income be X and B's annual income be Y. Okay. Now what they have given? They have given the ratio of their incomes is 3:4. The ratio of their incomes is given as 3:4. So our first equation is x upon y is equal to 3 upon 4. Or you get 4x is equal to 3y. Or you can get 4x minus 3y is equal to 0 is our equation number 1. Now the second condition, their annual expenditure. Okay. So annual expenditures, how do I get the expenditure? So you can see here, they are saving this 5,000. So if their income was x rupees, they are saving 5,000. So what are they spending? They are spending x minus 5,000. Then the B is spending y minus 5,000. And then the ratio of this is 5 upon 7. You get it? This is the expenditure, the ratio of the expenditure. So this is the money that they spend. Whatever they're saved minus whatever the income minus whatever they are saving is the expenditure. The ratio is 5:7. Cross multiply this. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times 5,000, 5 7s are 35, you get 35,000 is equal to 5 into y is 5y, and 5 into 5,000 is minus 25,000. So we get this equation as 7x minus 5y is equal to minus 25,000 plus 35,000 moves over here. So we get 7x minus 5y is equal to 10,000 is our equation number 2. Got it? Now, solving these equations further, what we can do is we can multiply, we have to equate the coefficients, right? So we will multiply this equation number, this by 3 and 5. We'll equate the coefficient of 5. So we'll multiply equation 1 by 5. We'll multiply equation 2 by 3. We'll multiply this equation by 3. So multiplying this equation by 5, you get 5 4s, you get 20x minus 5 3s are 15y is equal to 0. 3 into 7, we get 21x. 3 into 5, we get minus 15y is equal to 3 into 1000, we get 30,000. Got it? Now, coefficient of y is same, but the signs are same. We need to subtract them. So we'll have to change the signs of the second equation. Minus 15y plus 15y is 0. 20 minus 21, we get minus x is equal to minus 30,000. Or you get x is equal to 30,000. So we got the income of A. A's income is x. So we got the A's income as 30,000. Let us substitute this in equation number 1. So we'll put this in equation number 1. So we get 4, or you can put it here directly. So we'll put 4x is equal to 3y. So since I have to find the value of y, I'll write 3y is equal to 4x. So we get 3y is equal to 4 into 30,000. This y comes over here. So y is equal to 4 into 30,000 divided by 3. So we get 3 ones are and 3 10,000. 10,000 into 4, we get y is equal to 40,000. Got it? So this is how we get the A's income to be 30,000 and B's income to be 40,000. Got it? Moving to question number 6. In an examination, the ratio of the passes to the failures was 4:1. Had 30 less appeared and 20 less passed, the ratio of the passes to the failures would have been 5:1. Find the number of students who appeared for the examination. So let the number of pass candidates be X and the number of failure candidates be Y. So first condition we have X upon Y. The ratio of the passes to the failures is 4/1. So we have X is equal to 4Y. This is our equation number 1. Okay. Now look at the next thing. Next thing you have to read it carefully. Had 30 less appeared. Okay. So had 30 less appeared. So total number of students appeared. The total number of students appeared are the one who passed are X, one who failed are Y, and 30 less. So minus 30. These were the total number of students appeared. If this is the condition, the number of students passed was X minus 20, 20 less passed. Then number of students passed is going to be X minus 20. Got it? Then the number of students failed. The number of students failed will be equal to the number of students appeared are X plus Y minus 30. And let us subtract the number of students passed, which is minus X minus 20. These are the 20 are less. So when we solve this further, we get here X plus Y minus 30 minus X minus of minus plus 20. X and X got cancelled. Minus 30 plus 20 is minus 10. So Y minus 10 are the students who failed according to the second condition. Had 30 less appeared, 20 less passed, the ratio of the passes to the failures. So according to the second condition, the ratio of the students passed are X minus 20 are the passed and Y minus 10 are the failures. And now the ratio is going to be 5/1. Okay. So solving this, we get X minus 20 is equal to 5Y minus 5 tens are 50. So you get X minus 5Y is equal to minus 50 plus 20 is going to be minus 30. This is our equation number 2. Now let us substitute the value of X is equal to 4Y over here. So we get 4Y. We are putting the value of X from equation 1. So we get 4Y minus 5Y is equal to minus 30. 4Y minus 5Y. So minus Y is equal to minus 30. So this is how you get Y is equal to 30. Now we got the value of Y as 30. Put it in equation over here again in 1. Substituting in 1. So we get X is equal to 4 times 30. So X is equal to 120. So the number of students who appeared are X plus Y. The number of students who appeared are X plus Y, which is 120 plus 30, that is 150. Okay, the total number of students appeared are X plus Y, 120 plus 30, which is 150. Question number 7. A and B both have some pencils. If A gives 10 pencils to B, then B will have twice as many as A. And if B gives 10 pencils to A, then A will have the same number of pencils. How many pencils does it have? Important to read the question again and again. So first, let us assume the pencils that A has be X and the B has be Y. Now, what is the condition here? So we are given the number of the A and B both have some pencils. A gives 10 pencils to B, then B will have twice. So if A gives 10 pencils to B, so that means X has given away. So that is A has given away. So the pencils which are X minus 10 and then y will get 10 pencils. So it is going to be y plus 10. Okay. 10. So then B will have twice as many as A. Okay, so B will have twice. This B is y plus 10, which we will have twice as much as x had. Okay, so we get the first equation as 2x minus 20 is equal to y plus 10. Bring this y here, 2x minus y is equal to 10 plus 20, which is 30, which is equation number 1. So the first condition done. Let us read the next part. And if B gives 10 pencils to A. So if B has given 10 pencils to A, so this has become B has got y minus 10 and A has got 10 pencils. So his pencil becomes x plus 10. Okay, then what is the condition? And B gives 10 pencils to A, then they will have the same number of pencils. That means x plus 10 is equal to y minus 10. Are you getting it? The second condition. So this is how we get the equation as x minus y is equal to minus 10. And this 10 goes here, it becomes minus 10, which is minus 20 is our equation number 2. Okay, now let us solve this equation. So we have 2x and y ka coefficient is same. I'll just write this equation below here. We have x minus y is equal to minus 20. This is our equation number 2. Let us subtract this equation because the y has the same sign. So we will be changing the signs here. Minus becomes plus. So we get y minus y is 0. 2x minus x is x. And 30 plus 20, we get 50. Okay, so we already got the A's pencils to be 50 now. Now we have to find the B's pencils. So we will be substituting in the equation number 2. We put the value of x in equation 2. So we have x in place of x, we have 50 minus y is equal to minus 20. So minus y is equal to minus 20. 50 goes here, becomes minus 50. Minus y is equal to minus 70. So we get y is equal to 70. This is how A will have 50 pencils and B is having 70 pencils. Got it? A has 50 pencils and B has 70 pencils. Moving to question number 8. So how many people? Let us take the number of adults as X and number of children as Y. So how many people have gone to see the circus? Total number of people they went is 1250. So number of adults plus number of children is 1250. This is our equation number 1. The second condition is if adult has paid rupees 75. So how much money the total number of adults have paid? It will be 75 into number of adults, which was X, 75X. And for the kids, the 25 rupees is the ticket. So it is 25Y. And the money collected is 61,250. Now this both, say 250 at the end means it is divisible by 25. Divide this equation throughout by 25. You get 75 divided by 25, we get 3x plus y is equal to 61,250. When we divide by 25, we get 2,450, and this is our equation number 2. So let us solve this equation. Let me write just the first equation below. So we have x plus y is equal to 1,250. Let us subtract this because the coefficient of y is same. Y minus y is 0. 3x minus x is 2x. And subtract this 0, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1200. So x is equal to 1200 divided by 2, which is 600. Okay, there were 600 adults. Substitute this in equation number 1. So we have x, that is 600 plus y is equal to 1250. So y is equal to 1250 minus 600. So which is y is equal to 650. So this is how the number of people they went to the number of people they went for the circus. That is number of adults are 600 and the number of children are 650. Got it? Moving to question number 9. Two articles A and B are sold for rupees 1,167, making 5% profit on A and 7% profit on B. If the two articles are sold for rupees 1,165, a profit of rupees 7% is made on A and profit of 5% is made on B. Find the cost of prices of each article. See, I read once, but then only reading once is not enough. You have to read the question again and again when we are framing equations. So let us take the cost price of the article A to be X and the cost price of the article B to be Y. So the cost price, which is X, and the profit made on A, our first article is 5, so plus 5% of X. Okay, this is the selling price of the first article, that is article A. For the article B, the cost price is Y and the profit made is 7%. So plus 7% of Y, and the total selling price is 1,167 rupees. Okay, now 5% of X, 5% means 5 upon 100 X plus Y plus 7% is 7 upon 100 Y is equal to 1,167. So when we take the LCM, we get 100. I have to multiply by 100. So I get 105 X upon 100 plus 100. If I multiply here 100 Y plus 7 Y, I get 107 Y upon 100 is equal to 1,167. So we get 105 X plus 107 Y is equal to 1,111. So we get, just add two zeros. This 100 goes here, you have to multiply. So this becomes 1,16,700. So this is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. Now the second condition. What is the second condition? The second condition says if two articles are sold for rupees 1,165, a profit of 7% is made on A. So 7% on A, so you will get an equation. Similarly, solving this 7% on A, so you are getting 107 X upon 100 X plus the 5% is made on B, so 105 upon 100 Y is equal to 1,165. Similar way you have to do, no need of solving this again. So we get 107X plus 105Y is equal to 1,16,500. This is our equation number 2. Now what we do is we'll add these two equations. So I have told you in the previous video, I told that when the coefficients of X and Y interchange, don't solve the elimination method. This becomes tedious. So we'll just add these two equations. So we'll write this equation below. 107X plus 105Y is equal to 11,6500. This is our equation 2. So we are adding this equation. We are adding these equations. So on adding this equation, we get here 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1, 3, 1 plus 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 0, 0. 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, 212y, and this is 212x. Now this all throughout, when you divide by 212, you get x plus y is equal to 1. On dividing this by 212, you get this as 1100. Okay, this is our equation number 3. Now what we do is, we will subtract these two equations. So I'll just write here below this equation. So we will be writing here the first equation, which was 105x plus 107y is equal to 1,16700. Now we are going to do equation 1 minus equation 2 minus 1. So anyway, it could be done. So we get 107 minus 105 is 2x minus 107, and this becomes minus 2y is equal to, this is going to be 1,16700 minus 1,16500. We get minus 200. Okay. On simplifying this, we get x minus y is equal to minus 100. This is our equation number 4. Got it? So we got equation number 4 over here. Now let us solve these two equations, equation 3 and equation 4 we are going to solve. So solving this equation 3 and 4, I'm going to write this x plus y is equal to 1,100 over here. Okay. And let us solve. We get the y eliminated over here. We get x plus x is 2x is equal to 1100 minus 100 is 1000. So we get x is equal to 1000 divided by 2, which is equal to 500. Got it? So we got the value of x as 500. Let us substitute this in the equation number 3. So we get y, you get 500 plus y is equal to 1100. So you get y is equal to 1100 minus 500, which is 600. Got it? So this is how we got the cost price of article A as rupees 500 and the cost price of article B as rupees 600. Got it? So in the place which was available here, I could make it. Please solve it in the proper order. Okay, take a pen and paper when you are watching this video. The last question of this exercise, Pooja and Ritu can do the piece of work. Recall the video on time and work which you have already done, because that concept is very much required over here. Pooja and Ritu can do a piece of work in 17 1/7 days. So the total work that they can do together is 17 1/7 days. So it is 17 1/7 is going to be 17 sevens 119 plus 1, you get 120 upon 7. Just remember that. So let us take that Pooja's 1-day work is 1/x and Ritu's 1-day work is 1/y. Okay. So then together, if they do the work, we get their both of their 1-day work is 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. Their 1-day work becomes the reciprocal of this, which is 7 upon 120. Okay. So this becomes our equation number 1. Equation number 1. The second condition, if 1-day work of Pooja, which is 1/x, is equal to 3/4 1-day work of Ritu, that is 3/4 of 1/y. This is our equation number 2. So we are substituting this equation 2 ka value of 1/x over here. So we get 3 upon 4y plus 1 upon y is equal to 7 upon 120. So we'll have to multiply by 4 to have the LCM. So we get 3 plus 4, 7 upon 4y is equal to 7 upon 120. So which we get as 7 goes cancel from here. We get 4y is equal to 120. So we get 4y is equal to 120. We get y is equal to 120 divided by 4, which is 30. Got it? Substitute this over here, value of in equation number 2. We are going to put this value of y is equal to 30 in equation number 2. So we get 1 upon x is equal to 3/4 into 1 upon 30. So we get the value, this 3 ones and 3 tens. So we get 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 40, or you get x is equal to 40. So this is how we can say that how many times they can do the work alone. So we can say Pooja will complete the work in 40 days alone and Ritu will complete the work in 30 days alone. So if you have understood and you like the video, please do not forget to share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.